सरस्वती शिशु कुंज भगवाना बोरसद स्टैंडर्ड थर्ड सब्जेक्ट EVS चैप्टर 2 सोलर सिस्टम पार्ट 4 टॉपिक द प्लैनेट अर्थ एंड कॉन्स्टेलेशन डेट 8th May 2020 How are you children? I hope you will be fine at home and you will be also happy because you are enjoying vacation. But really you are very good students because during the vacation time also you are doing your study work at home. You all are very good students. Okay, let's we start our today's video. Before that, children, do you remember what did you learn in the last video of EVS? Okay, let's we recap the video. In the last video, we learn about rotation and revolution. Rotation is the movement of the earth on its axis and it takes 24 hours to complete one rotation. And rotation causes day and night. Revolution is the movement of the earth around the sun. It takes 365 days or 1 year to complete one revolution around the sun. And revolution causes season. Now, let's we know about the wonderful topic of today, the planet Earth. Do you know, children, on which planet are you living? We are living on the wonderful planet Earth. Really, we are very lucky. Earth is look like an orange. It is flat at the top and bottom. In the olden days, people thought that Earth was flat, as it looked that's standing on it. They were afraid that if they walk or sail far enough, they would fall. Sail means travel by the ship in the ocean, that is called sail. In year 1519, Ferdinand Magellan, a Portuguese sailor who was traveling by the ship in the ocean, who took his ship around the planet and found that the earth is a round. Many years later, photographs taken from the space of the earth also show that the earth is a round. Okay, let's we know more about the earth. As we learn in the solar system, the earth is the third planet in the solar system and it is known to have life on it. Why? Because we are getting enough sunlight, air and water that help us to survive on the earth. There are many living things live on the earth. There are many mountains, valleys and flat areas on the earth. Ocean, lake, river, snow are sources of the water. Various forests, islands, deserts and waterfall are the beauty of the earth. More than 70% of the earth's surface is covered by the ocean. That means the ocean are more than the land. Because earth has so much water on it, it is known as the blue planet. The earth rotates every 24 hours and that is why we have 24 hours in a day. Do you know, children? Among all the 8 planets, only the earth has liquid water on its surface. The other planets have water, but some planets are too hot, causing all their water evaporates, and some planets are too cold, So all their water freezes into ice. As we learn, planet Earth has give us many natural resources like forest, valley, rivers, mountain, etc. and expect nothing from us in the return. So it is our responsibility to save our earth by keeping our environment clean. Now here all about the earth that whatever we have discussed. You can read it and learn it. And the picture of Ferdinand Magellan you can see here who has proved that the earth is round. Now next topic is very wonderful. Children, have you ever looked at the sky during the day? Sometimes people image cloud in different shape. According to their imagination, they give the different shapes name to the clouds. You can see on your screen. Similarly, at night time, we can see many stars in the sky. Some stars always appear in the group and they form some pattern. They are known as constellation. So what is the constellation? Constellation is that the group of stars form a special pattern that when we see from the earth it is visible. That is known as constellation. According to their people imagination, they give the different group of stars the different name. Here, some example of constellation I will show you, like the Great Bear. The different people image in different way. So in the different country they give them different name. The Great Bear, it is also known as Saptarshi because it is made up of 7 stars. Now in the people of Britain, they know the same constellation as the plough because they image it like the plough. People in USA give this constellation name the Big Dipper because they image it like the Big Dipper. Second constellation is the Orion. It looks like the hunter, so it is known as the hunter also. Here some other example of constellation. The first is Cassiopeia, it's shaped like W. Second is Gemini, it's shaped like the couple, two person. Next is Scorpion, it is look like the Scorpio. I hope children, now whenever you observe the sky, you will try to find out this constellation. Okay? Now next topic is satellite. Satellite is the heavenly body that moves around the planet. The natural satellite of the earth is the moon. Moon is the natural satellite of the planet. They move around the planets. Now, artificial satellite. You can see in this picture, artificial satellite. What is the artificial satellite? So, the man-made machine that moves around the planet, they are called artificial satellite. Children, if you have seen the movie Mission Mangal, you will come to know what is artificial. Here are some well-known artificial satellites. There are Aryabhat, Bhaskara and Chandrayaan. You can see on your screen the artificial satellite that moves around the planet. Now, here are the new words that we learn in this chapter. Now let's recall the chapter. In the first part, we learn about the stars and planet. That stars are big ball of fire. They produce heat and light. Planets do not have their own heat and light. They reflect the light from the star. The regular path of the planet is called orbit. Solar system consists of the sun and 8 planets. planets revolves around the sun. The movement of the planet around the sun, it is called revolution. The spinning movement of the planet on its axis, it is called rotation. Earth has air and water, that is why life possible on the earth. The moon is Earth's natural satellite. Now here are the exercise given with answer of previous video. You can check your answer from this. Now let's we solve today's exercise. Correct the following sentence. Uranus gives out heat and light. It is wrong. Uranus is a planet, so it cannot give heat and light. Star gives us heat and light. The movement of the planet around the sun is called rotation. It is wrong. It is called revolution. Earth rotates on its axis in 365 days. It is wrong. The answer is 24 hours. And the last is Aryabhata is natural satellite. It is wrong. Aryabhata is a artificial satellite. The natural satellite is the moon. Let me solve the question answers. First, what does the universe consist of? The universe consists of stars, planets, and other heavenly bodies. Why is Venus hotter than the Mercury? As we know, Mercury is the closer to the sun, but Venus is hotter. Why? Because Venus has thick blanket of gases surrounding it. So, it traps the heat in like an oven. That is why it is hotter than Mercury. Name the planets in our solar system. Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. What is rotation? The movement of the planet on its axis is called rotation. What is a constellation? Name one. The group of stars in the sky that seems to form a pattern when seen from the earth. This group is called constellation. Like Orion, Great Bear, Scorpio, Cassiopeia, Gemini, etc. Let's we solve the match the following. First one is axis. What is axis? The answer is B, imaginary line. It is not real. Second, planet. Planets are 8 in number, so answer is D. Third, largest planet. The answer is E, Jupiter. Do you know, children, Jupiter is a very large planet that all the other planets can fit inside the Jupiter. Fourth, 165 Earth years. That answer is 1 Neptune year. Means Neptune is the farthest planet. It takes more time to complete one revolution. Bhaskara. Bhaskara is the artificial satellite. It moves around the planet. Thank you, children.